Guys, I'm back again to show you guys how to get today's free 1 million coins airdrop. I always post this every day. That's why I feel you should subscribe so you won't miss out as we post daily. Although, I've already dropped this information in my Telegram channel before I even begin to make this video you're watching right now, because it's very easy for me to quickly drop significant information as soon as I get it on the Telegram group rather than having to start making video here. Moreover, it's only in this Telegram group that you can get to chat with me personally to ask any questions relating to cryptocurrency or money making in general. Therefore, if you're not in this group, you should hurry to join it right now by using the link that I'll provide in this video's description and also pin in the comment section. With that being said, the first thing we need to do is to click on End Partap 3 times in order to activate the coin. So we click on End Partap right here, and it's going to activate this coin. The moment it activates, it's going to change to red. So let's tap on the M Partap 3 times. 1, 2, 3. As you guys can see, this coin has changed into red color. So this means it has been activated. So now let's unlock this card. Let's unlock this 1 million coin. So guys, short T is going to start for dots, while long T is going to start for minus. In this video, I'm going to unlock it, and I'm going to drop the code to unlock it right down below. So what you're going to do is to tap in the short as dots and long tap as minus. The code is Ethereum, and I'm going to drop how it's going to work in the description. So right here, as you guys can see, I'm going to start typing it one by one, and you guys are going to see that it will actually work. So guys, keep watching as I'm tapping it in. Okay, as you guys can see, I just end the price. So exactly how I type in this code is that I'm going to drop the code line in the description. Dot will stand as short tab while dash will stand as long tab. So I'm going to type exactly how you're going to follow the sequence in the video description. And if you are confused, I'm going to drop my Telegram link in the description. So you can join the Telegram link and join. Guys like you are in the group that's going to tell you exactly how going to get it done to make it easier for you. So if you are enjoying this video, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and like this video. See you in the next one.